In this lecture, we bring artificial intelligence down from the clouds and into the workshop. Many carpenters and furniture makers think AI belongs only to banks, big tech companies, or universities. That belief is not only wrong, but also dangerous, because it quietly pushes skilled artisans out of the future economy. The truth is simple. A carpenter who understands how to use AI tools will design faster, price smarter, attract better clients, and train apprentices more effectively than one who ignores it. Think first about design. In the past, a customer would describe a wardrobe or kitchen cabinet with words and maybe a rough sketch. Misunderstandings were common. The customer saw one thing in their mind, and the carpenter built something slightly different. AI-powered design tools now allow you to generate realistic images of furniture styles within minutes. By typing a description such as modern wooden TV stand with 2 drawers and open shelves, suitable for a small Nigerian living room, you can obtain several sample images that you can show to your client on a phone or tablet. This means clearer agreements, fewer disputes, and a more professional image. Even basic tools like Canva, combined with AI image features, can help a carpenter present catalogs of styles without hiring a graphic designer. Measurements and planning can also be supported by AI. Some apps allow you to input room dimensions and automatically suggest furniture layouts, helping you avoid awkward fits and wasted space. A carpenter working on kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, or office furniture can quickly test different configurations on screen before cutting any wood. This saves both time and material. An AI assistant such as ChatGPT can also help you create cutting lists, estimate quantities of plywood or hardwood required for a project, and generate a step-by-step plan that you print and keep in the workshop. Pricing is another area where many artisans struggle. Underpricing leads to losses. Overpricing drives customers away. AI cannot decide your exact price, but it can help you think clearly. By feeding it information about the cost of wood, hardware, labor hours, transport, and overheads, such as rent and electricity, you can ask it to build a simple pricing formula or spreadsheet. This brings discipline into your quotations. You can even ask it to suggest different pricing packages, basic, standard, and premium, each with clear differences in material quality and finishing. Over time, such a structure helps you project profit and avoid emotional discounts that destroy your business. Marketing has changed completely in the age of smartphones, and here AI becomes almost unavoidable. Customers now expect to see examples of your work on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or a simple website. AI writing tools can craft professional descriptions of your services, design catchy advert copy, and even translate your message into different languages. Image enhancement tools can clean up photos of your furniture, adjust lighting, and make them look more appealing without lying about the product. A carpenter who consistently posts cleaner, well-presented work with clear captions will naturally attract more serious clients than one who relies only on word of mouth. Customer communication is another hidden area where AI quietly adds value. Many customers ask the same questions. How much is a 6x6 bed frame? What wood is better for wardrobes? How long will it take? Do you deliver outside town? Instead of repeating yourself endlessly, you can use AI to help you write a simple FAQ document, or even create a basic chatbot for Facebook, or a website that answers routine questions at any time of day. This does not remove your personal touch. It simply filters out time-wasting inquiries so that you can focus on real buyers and actual production. Training and skill development for carpenters and apprentices can be strengthened with AI as well. An AI tutor can explain joinery techniques, finishing options, and tool maintenance in clear language, translating into local languages where necessary. You can ask for step-by-step guides with pictures for specific joints, cabinet types, or installation methods, and print them as workshop manuals. Short safety instructions, maintenance schedules for machines, and checklists for site work can all be generated and refined with AI support, raising the standard of your practice. Of course, AI is not a miracle. It cannot cut wood, lift boards, or solve every business problem. It can make mistakes, suggest impractical designs, or underestimate costs if you provide poor information. You must bring judgment, experience, and honest numbers to the table. However, refusing to learn these tools simply hands an advantage to other carpenters who will use them to appear more professional, handle more clients, and standardize their work. The wise conclusion is straightforward. AI is a new kind of assistant for carpenters and furniture makers. It will not replace your hands, your eye for detail, or your craftsmanship. Instead, it rewards those who combine traditional skill with modern intelligence. If you treat AI as a partner in design, costing, marketing, and training, your workshop stops being a small local corner and becomes part of a larger, modern value chain. In the next years, the most successful artisans will not be those who shout the loudest, but those who use AI quietly and intelligently behind the scenes to deliver better work, faster and more profitably, to customers who can clearly see the value.